Hi guys, how are you? I just bought this PS4 controller. It was work properly. Then I tried to connect it to my PS4. It doesn't respond at all. Just blinking and didn't connect to PS4. I will try to fix it. So stay with me. We will open it. And try to figure what's wrong with it. When we open it gently, just I'm cracked. It's version 2. We'll try to replace this connector right here. And I hope it will fix the problem. I will try some old new one that I have. Here it is. This was on it. This an old one, the same socket. I'll try to connect it with my PS4. Think it will work. Oh, it connected to my PS4. It worked properly. Now I will change it. Connect properly. We'll try to close it gently. This socket is only charged and didn't connect the PS4, and I replaced it with a new one. An old one, I know it's working, and will connect. It's connecting. Then we close this. It work fine. Just close the screws. It came to life. It came to life. We'll try to connect it once again, one more time. It's glue with a lovely yellow light. Now let's connect. Thank you for watching.